Hi, I'm Preeti, wife of Mr. Praveen. I have two small children at my home, and also there is an elderly person. Safety wise, I don't see any challenges because the kids and even the elders they're very convenient in using the lift, and the safety alarm button also helps a lot around that. In fact, it's very easy to use. Just once I think we teach it, they are all comfortable in using it. If you want me to quote what my kid exactly told the moment they saw it, they were like, looks like now we are ready to use the space shuttle daily at home. So that's a first the impression that my kid gave me. So he was like, we rarely get to see, though we have seen such the transparent elevators in the malls and everywhere, when you have it at your home itself, it kinds of gives that feel. And as we said, so people felt it's very good. So yeah, definitely the transparent looks and all this, whichever, like the basic hardware is not seen outside. So that's I would really appreciate that portion. Yeah, it really adds aesthetics to the place or the home where you have put in. After we installed, in fact, the person who constructed our house, so they in fact were really taken by surprise, because they were like, we have seen a lot of big houses who doesn't have this option. So the first thing is the amount of space that this particular elevator requires. It doesn't eat up much of your space, considering in the cities, and if you have a villa particularly, all you can dedicate it a small space. The space that's really needed for this is very very limited. And if you have planned things perfectly, that means like how now we have done it, it nowhere hampers in the regular the living space or anywhere. It is just in one corner where you can go and come and down and use it very comfortably. Overall, we are happy with it. And yes, people, I would actually recommend, if there is really elders who have a serious challenge in mobility, I would recommend you guys can in fact go and have for this. Please feel free to do that. It will really help you. Thank you.